Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.